4th of July. What a legendary day. Had an amazing day on the boat. A lot of fun. And I am pooped. I'm tired. But still, this morning, coming back, the market also kind of tired. The momentum is just not there today. So my goal today was just to really play it safe. And you'll see the trades I took. I took 3 trades a day. 2 of those trades were losers, but I played it really, really safe. So I had 2 very small losses, and I had 1 quick winner, which was a decent winner, just a quick one, just to get back kind of green on the day. I was down 40, got back up over $200, and you'll see kind of what went down in the video live trades, real day trading. Let's do it. Let's get into that action. Before we get into the action, I know I said we're going to get into it, but before we get into it, do me one big favor. You do not understand how much it helps me out. If you hit that like button, it really, really does help. It's like you're basically saving a kitten or a puppy or whichever one you're into. If you like puppies or kittens, just think about it like that. Hit the like button, save a puppy's life, help me help you, and let's do it. Let's make some money. But this morning, DFBG, it's up over 100%. I'm really not sure that I would even want to trade this at this point. I don't know. I mean, I just feel like it's just so overextended. The stock has had trouble in this area before. So the last time that it spiked up really big, let's see if we can see on the daily chart, it got up there to the 650 area and had trouble. Now it's going crazy. But also, look at this 5-minute chart. So you got this one big move, you got the second move, and maybe this is the third move, the third leg there. And I'm just not in love with it. This isn't really a setup that I'm super excited about. So I'm pretty sure I'm just going to stay away from DFBG unless it just really gives me the signals that I want and tells me like, hey, this is the buy time. Basically getting denied there at the 650 area, right where that previous kind of resistance area was. So also we got ANW this morning up there at the $2 area, getting denied there at $2, pulling on back down there. So we'll give this one some time as well. Looks like got some support there at the $1.50 area. Got some heavy sellers sitting there at $1.55. Let's see if this will hold there at $1.50. TGC also jumping around there from $1.46 up there to $1.71. This thing had trouble at that $1.70 area before. We'll see if that can get over this. Kind of show some strength there. So there's that spike over $1.70 now. Just going straight up, similar to the move that it did the other day. Up there to $1.85 now. Ooh. We might have us a runner, boys. Might have us a mover. Shake and bake here. Going for 1 million shares traded. Volume filling in there on this candle right here. Jumping right there. See if we can't get this to pop up there. Not liking it. Was basically hoping for that break over the $1.74 area and spike right there above $1.90. So if you were watching level 2, I didn't really call it out there, but if I was watching level 2 there, you can see kind of boom, boom. Okay, let's hold this support there. And I just couldn't get going. So if this thing was strong like it was the other day, very similar entry to the other day, how this thing moved. So that's kind of what we're watching for here. Let's see if we can get another push above that $1.75. TGC pushing back up there, $1.75 area. Big buyer there at $1.66, getting sold into. Just not having the strength there to get moving. See if this consolidates there. Just not really seeming to have the power right now. I'm going to give this one a little bit longer to consolidate there. Got SAEX going up there to the $2 area now. There it is up there at $2.11 now. Look for that to pull back down there to the $2 area. Volume is still low on this right now. It needs more volume. There's not enough volume on this right now. So we can jump in here at $2. See if it'll push back up. 205, 204 seller sitting there. See if we can push over that. Get back above the 210 area. High of day right now is 210. So I'm looking for that push back above 210. I'll jump out of it there. I'm just not liking how it's getting stuck right there at the 204. For now, I'll play it safe. Basically breaking even there. You can see TGC all the way down there at $1.42 now. So that was a nice little drop there. Luckily, wasn't buying the dip right there. SAEX, just not getting the volume there. It's just only 500,000 shares traded, so the traders just aren't coming in on it and pushing it up there like we needed it to. If this thing was really hot, it would have, you know, a million shares traded by now. DFBG making that turn there from the 580 area all the way back up there to 590. DFBG making that big dip there at the open and making that U-shaped move there. Look at the volume on this. Look at the consolidation as it consolidated there at the 575 area. Look at the volume. So we get this big, massive sell-off, and then boom, boom, boom. We're consolidating the volume on these candles. It's 46,000, 34,000. You know, really low volume for this stock. You can see this first candle had this first candle had 438,000 shares traded. That big drop there, and then this next candle had 437,000. So we had that consolidation there, and then boom. I just wasn't going to risk it. Just didn't like the overall setup there on DFBG. But if you had the balls there, if you had the balls to buy this dip, it would have been a nice little move there up to the $7 area, $6.90 now, $6.89 high of day. So you might be watching this video and you might be wondering, well, he hasn't made any money yet. But like I always say, the big thing here with day trading is not about making money, but it's about protecting the money that you have, putting that money to work, making money with that money, but not losing money. So if you can get into a trade, you can get out of a trade with a small loss. That's really what it comes down to, and that's kind of what's going on today. So I'm being protective. I'm playing defensively. I'm getting out when I don't feel it happening, when I don't see the stock doing what I think it should be doing, and that's what's going on. So like this trade, let's say I was stubborn. Let's say I was holding this, you know, from $1.75 down there to $1.30 now. That's a 40-cent drop. That's a $400 loss if I was being stubborn and just holding, hoping and praying. Holding on these stocks does not pay. You will not make money hoping and praying. And then SAEX, same thing, $2 area down there to $1.80. So again, another $200 loss. So if I was stubborn right now, if I was hoping and praying, I would be down, you know, $600 to $700 right now. But instead, I'm playing it. But instead, I'm sticking to the rules. I'm getting out quickly if I don't see the action that I want to see. If I don't see it happening, that's what I'm doing. I'm jumping out. And then the same kind of thing with GBR. Same kind of setup. You know, this is just a stock that has been really crazy. It's been all over the place. It's been all over the place lately. Very volatile. Just something that I don't want to be trading right now. Something that I don't really need to trade. I don't need to take that much risk. Obviously, yeah, the reward's there. From 450 up there to 620. Beautiful. Yeah, if you got that. If you magically somehow got that trade, you know, you got there 450 up there above $6, you're happy. You're running to the bank right now. But it's just really, really hard to time these crazy volatile movers. GBR, same thing with DFBG. I just don't trust it. I don't trust it. I don't like it. I don't want none of it. I think if DFBG would have started to run, you know, after the market opened, let's say this candle here was at 9. Let's say this big candle here from 360 up there to $5 was at 9:30 in the morning, you know, right when the market opened. It would be a totally different day. This would be the setup. This would be a beautiful setup. If this was the first big move, you get the spike at the consolidation, the pullback there, this is beautiful. But it was pre-market, and I think the stock just has ran the course today. I think it's kind of just, you know, out of gas. Everybody made a bunch of money on it this morning, and now it's getting halted on the way down. That's exactly what you do not want to be a part of. What do you want to be very careful? Again, hoping, praying. Don't want to do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No, dude, don't. No hoping, no praying. We're making money. We're not hoping. We're not praying here. So DFBG now down there to $5.13 from that big spike up to the 690. It's getting halted, pulling back down there. Oh, the momentum is just not there today, boys. It's not there. So I'm sitting back. I'm waiting. I'm watching. But right now, nothing really looks that good. Got the stock SDRL moving around there as well. SAEX, TJC. Everything is just going down. So there's no point in forcing trades. There's no point in me forcing trades. There's no point in me going and trying to make some money today. If the money's not there to be made, it's not going to be made. So I'm going to give it a little bit more time here. We'll sit back, we'll watch, we'll wait, see if anything else pops up. So the momentum's not there. I'm a momentum day trader. What am I going to do? I'm not going to try to force it. I'm not going to sit here and try to make a couple pennies. So we're just going to close it out there. Call it a day. Call it a day right there. $50 red day. Right? $50 red day. Not bad. I'll take it. Could have been a lot worse. Could have been a lot worse. Like I said, it could have been like a $500, $600 red day. If I was stupid, if I was buying, if I was dip buying, doing crazy stuff, and, you know, trying to buy the dip and then averaging down and doing all kinds of stuff. Think about this. Averaging down on a stock like this, you just can't do it. Trying to average down on this, I mean, you're just going to get crushed. So jumping in here on CCR, one more attempt to try to get back green on the day. Let's see if we can get it. Jumping in there for that break over $1.50 for that push up there to $1.60 area. We'll see if we can get it here. And look for that $1.60 break. Give me a little bit more. And we got it. There it is. $1.62. All right. Beautiful. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. In and out, baby. Taking that profit. I was almost done. I was literally just about to walk away for the day. Close it out there. And I'm happy that I came back. I'm happy that I took that little spike there. You can see. And I'm happy that I jumped in for a little bit of action here on CCCR. Beautiful. Beautiful. It really just spiked up out of nowhere there. You see, got 1 million shares traded now. I was literally about to be done. I just literally made a video talking about how I was done for the day. Well, there it is. So there's one little spike, taking profit quickly. Today, the momentum is just not there. The momentum is not there, so I'm not going to be holding these crazy stocks for very long. I'm going to jump in. I'm going to jump out. I'm going to take that profit. I'm going to walk away green there. I'm pretty much done, I think, now. My goal really earlier, you know, I was down $40 on those trades earlier. My goal was just to be able to, not that I was like a goal. It wasn't like, oh, I want to try to get back green on the day, but I was happy with getting back green on the day. Let's just say that. I was happy with getting back green on the day. Got a nice little spike there on CCR. Being patient, waiting. I was fine. If nothing came along, I would be fine with that. But we got this move here on CCR. Spiked up there above $1.50, pulled back down there, and then boom, up there to $1.68. Finishing out the day, $200 there on CCR, SAE basically breaking even, TGC basically break even. It's all a bunch of big break even today, making that $205 there, and that's going to put me up over $150 on the day. Even when the momentum is not there, it's just about waiting, watching, and waiting. Maybe there'll be some more opportunities here later, but I've got a ton of work to do, and I really got to think about it like this. My time is worth money. Is it worth it for me to sit here all day long and wait and watch and wait and watch and wait if the momentum is not there? You know, normally if the market's going to be hot, that hotness comes in the morning, like we always talk about. You know, a lot of the traders trade right there in the morning. They make their money, they're done for the day, and they walk away. So that's kind of what my overall goal normally is. You know, I've got other things I got to do, so it's just not worth it for me to sit here and try to make another $100, $200 today. I'm happy to get back green. Not bad. I'll take it. I will take it. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. I've got a ton of stuff I got to work on. This is what I'm working on right now. I'll show you guys. Kind of editing some photos here. I got to edit some photos today and go some videos. I got a bunch of videos to edit. I got a lot of work to do. I got to sign this out. I got to finish this video up, and I will talk to you guys later on. Do me one big favor. Hit that subscribe button. And also, if you haven't already, leave a comment below. What stocks did you trade?